Well, this is part 3 of the big migration with the garage and cleaning up in the garage and removing vertical spaces. Now you can quickly see the workbench is gone and it's out of here. And I lost horizontal horizontal storage spots. Now you can see I kind of made a mess down the way a little more, but the difference is I have a lot more area to work. This space is a lot bigger. So on a quick note here, what I did also with my detailing stuff is I have lots of drawers. There's all my brushes. Clay, squeegees, polishes, just lots of stuff here. And down below, a storage for my buffing pads. And off to the side, just miscellaneous bottles and so forth. So in review, the goal was to get rid of the horizontal storage spots, which I have accomplished, and you can quickly see that's easy to put stuff on top of spaces like that. And so another part would be to clean this all up and organize it and get rid of more items I no longer need. Stay tuned for another part. Thank you.